Welcome back to the Mickey Bunch. Come along with us as we head over to Disney Pin Traders at Disney Springs in Walt Disney World. Disney's Pin Traders is definitely the premier location to find everything pins. You can trade pins, you can purchase pins, and it is amazing. So let's take a look at everything pins at Disney's Pin Traders. They have an amazing selection of the Disney mystery pin packs, both as in the boxes and in the bags, but it's the limited edition pins that usually I'm after, and those are in a glass case and numbered. So you just go to the register and let them know which number of the pin you would like. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the limited edition pins that I picked up this day. On a Disney cruise just for that pin. I'm not bad. I just cruise that way. Love it. absolutely love the selections of pins at Disney's Pin Traders. If it's your favorite character you're looking for, or resort, or theme park, or ride, or movie, then you will definitely find it. You can even find ones to celebrate certain occasions, which is fantastic. But it's not just pins at Disney's Pin Traders. They also have a huge selection of magic bands and magic band accessories. Every color of the rainbow, as well as almost every character, and a few are definitely on my wish list. Gotta love the Star Wars ones, but I don't think there's anything cooler than having Lando on your wrist. Just saying. If it's Funko Pops you're after, then Pin Traders is a fantastic place to pick up all of your favorite pops. I'm loving that Alice in the Teacup. One of my favorite things about Disney's Pin Traders at Disney Springs is you can get limited edition pins. These are the 3 that I picked up on this day. First one was Peter Pan. He's the first in the pop-up book series for 2019. I love how you open it up and it has the start of the book on the left and then a 3-dimensional amazing image of Peter flying over London on the right. I also picked up the Alice in Wonderland pop-up book. It's the second in the series, and you open it up and there's the start to Alice in Wonderland the novel, and as well as that awesome 3-dimensional image. This is just too fun. Matthew, when he was little, had this game. It's the I Heart Gaming series, and this is Aladdin, and I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for coming along with us to Disney Pin Traders at Disney Springs in Walt Disney World. We love this place, and we appreciate each and every one of you for coming along with us. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, please do. And also tap that notification bell so you don't miss anything the Mickey Bunch or anything Disney. We wish each of you a very blessed and magical day, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.